Hi, hello everyone. Actually, I'm trying to explain today in the drill machine chuck. If it's not working, it's like this. This is the when you tied in, it is continuing. It is not tied in. It is be broken. So what are you going to do? So we have to troubleshoot but we can do any plastic in the plastic chuck uh, about any electric drill machine or rechargeable or how any drill machine we can uh, repair the only troubleshoot because this already damaged, so still you can use it uh, if your treatment is good. So you have to try to repair is by the cut by the hacksaw or any, you can use the hacksaw blade or any machine or small the grinder. So I will show you how to open it. Look at that. So we can cut it. This is the plastic insulation first for before repair. Look at that. Now we will have to help it because it is higher. So it's a little hard. So but you can cut by the hacksaw blade or but it is hard. As your hacksaw blade can use it. So I'll show you how to cut the hacksaw blade to see if you cut it. So this one, if you cut it by the hacksaw blade, you can easily cut as well. So after cut it, so you can remove this piece out. So it is like that. So what you can do, so this is the problem is inside the thread already lost, it's broken already, the locked. So what happened, we can still we can use. So but be careful when you use it. So it is the part in here, it is too sharp, you can grind it because if you grind it, it will be chuck will be loose. So don't grind it, but be careful when you use it, but you still get grind the drill machine, you can use it. See, that's not like before. So you can put some insulation in here for the, see, only this problem was there. See, now it's working good. This is good. See, you can't stop. So problem was in the plastic. So don't throw any of grinder, the drill machine. So don't throw any drill machine if you have chuck problem of the, don't replace as well if you have. And you can put some insulation tape around here like that, because you can get some grip for to the, you can use the chuck. So you can still you can use it. So it's too high insulation, so I will take it off some. This in the, for the insulation should be here. and you cut it by that is more the which one in the side. If not, it will be go on inside the thread. Cut it out. See, it's good. Now it's not damage hand. So you can put anything. See? See, now you can tie it. So not like before. So we need more grip. So you can put some insulation more. So, and you have this one, you can use it. Just need to replace only. It's too hard to cut it.